The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles southwest of Hidalgo and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include McAllen, Edinburgh, Mission, Carr, Weslaco, San Juan, Alamo, Donna, Mercedes, Hidalgo, Mission Fire Station Number 5, Downer Police Department, Farm Memorial Library, PSJA High School, Hidalgo High School, Mission Fire Station Number 3, McAllen High School, San Juan Municipal Court, Rowe High School, and Donna City Hall. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Brownsville